What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Bitcoin, a little bit of a, I'm not sure if it's an emergency update because right now we're not seeing that much movement. But yesterday, very unexpectedly, it happened after I made the midday market update. We got a pretty big dump, alright? Calling it a crash, I don't necessarily want to do it. But we gave up all the breakouts we had on Thursday. Thursday, obviously, we had some relatively positive news, and we gave that up. We just saw basically one big sell order, one big red candle, and that got several bearish breakouts below 62,400, below 62,000, below 61,750. All bearish breakouts, and you can see we lost a ton of momentum. In general, this is very much a sign that we are still in bearish market circumstances, and that's also what you can see right here. All right, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, so far we've, even though at times we've been relatively strong, we've mostly like this been trending down, and you can see that we are respecting the trend so far. And at this moment, there unfortunately is nothing going against that. All right, because if you see a market structure like this, what you want to see is and I turned my volume up, so maybe you need to turn your volume down. But what you tend to see is that, all right, well, the only way to get out of this is to actually get some sort of a major bullish breakout. And now 2 times already, first of all at the end of April right here, and at the start of May about a week ago, or almost a week ago, we broke above the 200 EMA, so that gold line, and we actually did have some momentum both times. Even right now, the momentum for Bitcoin is still higher than it was the 3rd of May, even though, the price is also a bit higher, but there's a bit of a hidden divergence. But both of those times, we were able to get some bullish confirmations, but it never lasted. All right, and in general, what's also still true, and that was also what we talked about yesterday in a midday market update, is the price was right here, right? And what I said is that, all right, well, we look quite bullish, but I do want to get a bullish breakout above 63,500 to actually have some more confirmation and to start longing things. And we did not get that. We got a bearish breakout. I should have prepared you for that, because on Friday, it's the end of the week. Moves like these can happen, all right? Just big institutions, big whales are closing their positions ahead of the weekend, which is usually less liquid and in general more volatile. So you could have seen it coming. You could also see that the volume in that small period of time went up by almost $3 billion. So some whales definitely exited their positions. But yeah, no, right now we are just bearish. All right, and you need to assume that we're going to be bearish. There's no, look, what we want to see is some sort of a big breakout above this entire level right here between 63,500 and 62,000. But there's nothing indicating that. Like, we are at this 0.618 fib of the move up we made at the end of last week, but we're barely getting any support from there. If you look at the momentum right here, there's no momentum coming in. Even it's even dropping down a bit over the last 14 hours. Spot selling is pretty big. So for now, I think it's most likely that we're going to be dropping back down into 59,000 and into that level at 58 and 57,000. That's what I expect for now. Now, I will keep you updated on this. All right, if there's anything I need to report on, if there's any change, for example, if we gain some momentum, or if we have some sort of an indication next week with the inflation rate data that we can be bullish, I will tell you. But for now, this is most likely. All right, so for now, that's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.